Most of us keep money in our savings account for safety and easy access. But one important question is which bank is giving the highest interest rate on our savings? Let's compare the rates offered by India's leading banks and also look at the small finance banks that provide much higher returns. First, let's start with the large universal banks. Banks like State Bank of India, SDFC, ICICI, Kotak, BOB, Bank of Baroda, PNB, and Union Bank all are offering the same rate of interest in savings bank accounts, just 2.5% per annum. So, if you are banking with any of these big names, your savings account interest is pretty much the same. Some private banks are a little more generous. For example, Bandhan Bank offers 2.7% rate of interest and IDFC First Bank gives 3% rate of interest per annum. Still, the difference isn't very big compared to 2.5% of larger banks. But the real difference comes when you look at small finance banks. These are newer banks, and to attract customers, they offer much higher savings account rate of interest. As you can see, Unity Small Finance Bank leads with 4.5% rate of interest for savings accounts, followed by Utkarsh at 3.25% and others like AU and Jana Small Finance Bank at 2.5 to 2.75% range. Now, higher returns always sound attractive, but there is a trade off. Large banks give you stability, trust, and a huge branch network. Small finance banks, on the other hand, offer better interest rates but may not have the same legacy or scale. Remember, all savings accounts are covered under DICGC insurance up to 5 lakh rupees per depositor per bank. But beyond that, safety depends on the financial health of the bank. So, would you prefer the safety of big banks with 2.5% interest, or would you go for the higher returns of small finance banks offering up to 4.5%? Let me know your choice in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more personal finance updates.